Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 2 on the 2017 Porsche Macan. This is John. I'm out here working in my garage, and the Macan had actually had the airbags blown on the headliner, so because of that, it triggers a pyro fuse near your battery on these Porsches. So we went ahead and took our battery out. Once you get your battery out, you're going to find this little guy right here, sitting about like that. So you can drop it down, take the 2 bolts out. You're gonna have this little guy right here plugged into the back of it. Just pop that up and he pops right out of here. So yeah, so go ahead and get you one of those things right there, if that ever happens to you. And hopefully we'll have power back here soon. So all right guys, stay tuned.